dressed up and ready to party. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. That's right. No party is complete without some good jams and some good dancing, right? Right, Christina? We want to wish everybody who's celebrating a birthday, who's had a birthday, wish you happy birthday, my loves, because every day, every year you have a birthday, it celebrates you. We celebrate you every day, and today we're having a party just for all of you. Miss Nell's dressed up. I don't think my tie is too big, is it? Christina, what do you think? Is it too big? No, I think it's just big enough. Now today, we also baked some awesome apple cakes. So you know what, Miss Nell wants to see what you baked today. Did you bake anything with your parents? Please share it. If you did, that's awesome. Whatever snacks you're bringing to our party today, share them, my loves. Share them right in our comment section because we want to see how you're celebrating with all your friends today. Because Miss Nell brought all her friends. I asked all my friends to come to our tea party today because we're having a Mad Hatter tea party. Yes, we are. And you know what? We have Turtle here and Mouse and Pooh and wonderful Sean and Kirby and Christina's cousin over here. Yes, Christina's cousin. Yes, her name is Bernice. She came today. She's awesome. We love her. We love all our friends. And who else came? Carl. He can't wait to jump into the tea. He loves good tea, just like Miss Mel does. And Christina, she loves good tea too. So we want to give you a big hug. Let's start off with a big virtual hug today. Oh, give yourself a big hug. Oh, we can't start off the day without a good morning and a big hug. Now, also, our apple cake today that we made is up in our Facebook Live link. So if you want to make it today, you can make it with your parents, or you can make it this week or this weekend. If it's rainy, whatever you want to do, it's an easy apple cake. And we're going to celebrate at the end of our stories today with an awesome birthday song and cake for you. Yes, I said it. You and you and you and you and you and you and you. Oh, you in the back. You. So, my loves, today's wonderful apple cake book is Apple Cake, a Recipe for Love by Julie Paschkis. So this inspired Miss Nell to make this awesome apple cake today. And you know what? We're going to share it with all our friends, and I'm going to share it with all of you. And please share your awesome pics today so all our friends at Marple and all your friends at the library and school can see all of your amazing tea parties you're having today with Miss Mel and Christina and all of our wonderful friends here. So let's start our story, Apple Cake by Julie Paschkis. Beautiful, kind, brilliant Ida. Can you see Ida? Wow. Ida never looked up, no matter what Alphonse did. So he decided to bake her a cake. What? That's amazing. He put all his love into an amazing cake for her. And I know you're putting all your love into this story today. First, he took 3 apples. How many apples did he take? Let's count them together, Christina. 1, 2, 3. He took 1 green apple and 2 red apples. Whoa. He traveled up a mountain high for that one. He peeled the apples and then he cut them up. But he didn't cut them up and peel them without his parents' supervision, right? He did it safely. And set them in water while he made the batter. He did that so they wouldn't brown. Wow. He's going to a lot of trouble for this apple cake. He must love Ida very much. In a new bowl, he beat 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of sugar. So can we beat that together? Let's beat it real fast. Let's see how he did it. Whoa. He took an egg and added it to the bowl. Wow, he went all the way up a tree and grabbed an egg, special egg, and put it right in the bowl. And then he sifted a cup of flour from the night sky and a teaspoon of baking powder to make it rise. Wow, look at all that flour he sifted from the sky. That's pretty amazing, isn't it, Christina? He got a tiny bit of salt, teeny, tiny bit of salt from the sea. Bloop, 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 bloop. He went all the way to the sea to get that amazing salt. Then he stirred the apples up. Can we do that together, my kiddos, my loves? He and the batter all together. Oh, my goodness, look at that. He even fell in the batter for a second, but he's okay. Oh, he stirred in 3 wishes. 1, 2, 3. 1 bitter and 2 sweet. Look at that. Wow. Can everyone see that today? Wow. Now, he sprinkled the cake with cinnamon and sugar. And he baked it up real good with the heat from a dragon's breath. He must love Ida very much. I'm telling you, he went through some lengths for Ida. Ida smelled something really delicious. She peeked around the corner, she put down her book. Alphonse handed her the apple cake. Wow. Ida looked right at Alphonse, and she smiled, and he smiled back. True love. And together, they ate it all up. Oh, true love, my loves. And that was Apple Cake by Julie Paschkis, a recipe for love, which Miss Nell wants to remind everyone that we made this apple cake all for you today and all our friends who visited at our tea party today. And I want to see what you're making today, or what you've made, or what you've brought to our party today. That was an amazing recipe, and we have that recipe up there for you in our Facebook Live link today. Now, no, Miss Mel to do a second book today. No party would be totally complete, right, guys? Without the master, the king of sweets himself, Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster! Woo! Book of Shapes. We're not only going to learn about Cookie's fascination with cookies, but we're going to learn some shapes today, too. Cookie shapes. Should Miss Mel do her Cookie Monster voice? Let's see. Fix my tie. Cookies delicious. Would you look at that, cookies? Oh, me want to eat all the cookies, but me save the best ones for the cookie contest at the fair. Can he do it? I don't know. Oh, that started to remind me of something terrific, Cookie. As he saw Grover. Oh, wait. Me saw a circle in a boo. Oh, my goodness. In a construction vehicle. Me have circle too. That's a circle. Oh, oh my goodness, look at that. A crescent, like a crescent moon at Crescent Street Bakery. Oh, cookie, crescent. Oh, look at that crescent cookie, like a moon, a crescent moon. Oh, wait a minute. Me see square on TV. And I have Cookie Square. Oh, what square? Wait! Me went to the park and I see triangles. I see a triangle on the little sailboats the little boys and girls have in their, oh my goodness, look, triangles. 1, 2, 3 sides triangle. Then me go to a baseball game. We went to a baseball game and I saw a diamond that looked just like one of me cookies. Oh, it started to drop rain. Me better hurry to cookie contest. Wait! Me have a cookie that looks like a drop of rain. Oh! Me saw a stop sign on the way to a cookie contest. That stop sign is a octagon stop sign. Octagon. Let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octa. 8 sides for the cookie. Oh no! Cowabunga! The cookies are gone. Cookie Monster. Good job. So today, my loves, let's light this candle on our cake. Do you have your snacks? Do you have your cake ready? Let's do it. Okay. Let Miss Mel. Oh, wait a minute. Miss Mel has to get her tea ready. Shh. 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 Is that good, guys? Carl? Oh my goodness. Oh, Carl. Don't drink this tea. Wait a minute. Oh, Carl's getting so excited. Okay, my love. So let's light our candle. And we're going to sing a big happy birthday to all of you today. Okay, here we go. Miss Nell's going to pick up her cake. Ready? On the count of 3, let's wish each other a happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. We're going to sing the birthday song. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, little loves. Happy birthday to you and 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 you. And wait a minute, you in the back and you. Right there. Wait a minute. Down there. Use. Let's do it one more time. Ready on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear little loves. Happy birthday to you. To all of you. Woo! Round of applause. Ready? Let's blow out our candle. On the count of 3, let's make a wish. Close your eyes and make a big wish. Ready, Christina? You're going to come in with me. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was awesome. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, my goodness, Carl, it's okay to drink your tea now. What? Okay, Christine, you want some too? Should I eat the cake? Should I try the cake? Should we try the cake? Okay, let's try the cake. Oh, let's see if this cake is delicious. Oh, my goodness, it's amazing cake. Would you like some, Christina? Was that good? Oh my goodness. Everyone must try a piece. Oh my goodness. We're going to pass out a piece to everyone in a little bit. But enjoy my tea, my loves. Happy birthday, my loves. And I hope you enjoyed our awesome tea party just for you all. And I look so forward to seeing all your comments and how you're enjoying and celebrating your tea party. Now, Miss Mel has put a special treat up top, not only the recipe for the easy apple cake, but we've also put an amazing link to make your own awesome hats. You can print them out with mom or dad or whoever you're with, or with grandma over the line there. You can print them out and share them with all your friends. There's an assortment of different hats. You print them off, you make them, and they are so super cool. You can decorate them however you like. Now, next week, we are going to be celebrating on Tuesday, Mama Bears. Yes, Mama Bears. We're going to be celebrating all you amazing moms and grandmoms and aunties and nonnies and Gigi's and everyone we love oh so much who make our lives extra special. And we're going to celebrate all of you on Tuesday with a special Mom's Day celebration. And at the end of their story next Tuesday, we are going to make a floral bouquet with some paper that's really super easy. This Miss Nell's going to show you how to make. And you can send it in a letter to grandma. You can send it to your auntie. You can send it to your godmother. You could send it to Noni, Gigi, everyone we love so much. We could send it to whomever we like, my loves. I love you all so much. And I want to wish everybody a happy birthday.